A gas at an initial pressure of 1.1 occupies a volume of 5.5 liters. The pressure is then increased to 3.3 atmospheric pressure. What will be the new volume of the gas? So before we proceed guys, we have to rearrange the formula first to solve the unknown. So copy the formula first, which is P1 times V1 equals P2 times V2. So to isolate the V2 guys, now which is unknown, we have to divide both sides by V2 to isolate this V2. So divide both sides by V2, then cancel. This will be gonna be isolated. So copy the formula again. V2 equals P1 times V1 over V2. So since in the question we have the given which is 1.1, a gas initial pressure of 1.1. So the P1 is 1.1. V2 equals 1.1 times, and then we have the initial volume which is 5.5, and then our final pressure, the final pressure is 3.3. So let's solve this. So 1.1 times 5.5 will be 605.605, then 3.3. So 6.05 divided by 3.3 will be gonna be approximately 1.82 or 1.83. And this is our B final answer guys for question number 2.